All right, we're heading back out in the woods again.
Yep.
Tom's slinging the big gun today.
Yeah, I've got the honor, man. I feel I feel it, man. It's like it's lucky, no doubt about it.
It's the turkey thug gun. Although I've missed a few times, that's for sure.
Try
It's
very
nothing
hard
like
not.
a little bit of humble pie now and then.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and stay humble now, so I don't have to eat the pie later. I'm gonna don't want
But
to do that.
he's rocking the Pattern Master Code Black and TSS number 9, and that's a heck of a combo. So at least you know you can reach out there. But I think most shots on this piece of public land have always been inside of 30.
Yeah,
So,
it's
no issue.
pretty tight up here.
Yeah, it can be really tight. So going in on some public land. Tom's the shooter for the morning. Of course, you know, if we get a double, you have to make the shot, throw the camera in his hands, throw the gun in my hands, and we'll see what happens.
We're gonna have to figure that out.
Yeah.
It's gonna happen.
It's going to happen.
Feel
Something's
it.
going to happen.
It's gonna be exciting.
I'm ready to put an Idaho tag down. We got a lot coming up with the camp, people, work.
Yep.
It's going to be a crazy month, but here we go, heading into the mountains.
All right, do
Here
it.
we come. Well, it is a stunning Idaho morning. As always, sun coming up over the mountains. We're just getting into the property a little bit. Any predictions, Tom? Tom predicts it's going to be a good day.
Good day. That's yet to be determined what that means.
Yep.
It's gonna be a good day.
Well, let's see if there's some gobbles around the corner, but it's just going to be a really pretty morning with the sun coming up. There's no doubt about that. It is beautiful. I don't live in the Idaho Panhandle, but I think I spend as much time here as anyone does. And I'll take these views any chance I can get them. Man, it's just gorgeous. Heading out. More to come. We can pull them up. Look at that orange back there. Come on. It's just so pretty here in the morning. It's hard to listen to turkeys when you have all this view, but they're talking, so.
We're shooting pictures right now. Hopefully we'll shoot birds later.
Yeah, right. They're talking, so I guess we best be walking. How many rhymes can you make up on a turkey video? Huh? Let's see how the day goes. What do you think?
Turkey wrap.
You gonna plow one?
Oh yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
Let's go see what Tom
We're
can
gonna
do.
make it happen.
We're gonna make it happen.
I think we're gonna get 2 birds down today.
Tom's gonna roll one to bed. Tom's like, why are we looking at sunrise when all these turkeys are gobbling in the
How can you
distance?
not look at that?
Right.
It's gorgeous.
It's gorgeous, right?
Turkeys are gonna be here all morning.
Mm-hmm. No stress. We have this reason we live out here
Sunrise
kind of
is waiting.
views. Yeah, look at this. Just starting to light up the sky. Listen to turkeys and have this view at the same time. I mean, it's just gorgeous. Awesome. Welcome to Idaho. Don't you just want to live here?
Nope.
You don't want to live here. No, don't ever come here. This place is terrible. Terrible place. Especially if you're a turkey hunter. Don't
No
ever.
birds anywhere.
Don't come there. Birds. No birds. I'll dump the sound out later. One very big bird over there. One nice bird right down here. I hope it's just about flown down. He's got to be henned up. Elk, right there. Coming up the hill. See him? There's 2 more heads back behind it. That bird's awesome. gonna start carrying full-size trees. Decoys, I don't care about. Trees, I need. That's a great decoy. Okay, he's definitely higher up now. Let's go. Let's go. Try to get in there. Oh, there ain't much room to get. It's right there in that opening somewhere. It's right around the corner. We're right there in the opening. This is his zone now. Okay, I'll go with you. Get that pine tree. Just tuck yourself in. If his head comes up, you got him. I got no view, so let's do the best we can. I think he stepped off though into the next clearing. Man, he's down around the next corner. Anchor bird. He might be coming. It's right there. Good luck, man. I'll try to video one-handed. He's not that far. Well, I think I just blew it. We covered a ton of distance. From back on that other corner way over there. Got all the way up here. I was just about to say, let's take these shrubs right here. Sit down. Because the last gobble I heard was right over this edge. But as we come around the corner, there was a bird feeding right on the corner of the road. I don't think it was him though. And he didn't run. He just kind of walked down over that hillside, but we haven't heard a gobble since. To me, it looked like a smaller tom, maybe a jake. But his head did go red, so he kind of gave the warning signal. He didn't fly, he didn't run, he just stepped off the edge. But early season, making the play all the way down this road, trying to close the gap on this bird. I think he's just been walking and feeding with hens. We made a really big move to try to close it hard and tight. Might have just been too big of a move.
It's fun.
It's fun.
Way fun.
It's called hunting, not killing.
Exactly.
Yeah. So not every hunt is perfect, and not every hunt is a kill. But this season I'm showing you everything, so. A lot of people say, well, you're always killing birds. Well, yeah, but you're not on all the hunts. I could produce lots of videos of no birds. You get bored of watching them. Now, if you're a real patient hunter, You just sit down here and wait. Might be an hour or two. That bird will fire back up because he was hot. But I think he was walking with hens. Something. Because he wasn't coming back at us. We closed the gap, 2-3 times?
Yeah.
And he wanted us to come.
Yeah, he never came any closer though.
Yeah. Each time he'd like come back a little bit, yell at us, and then continue on with whoever he was walking with. So it's a big piece of property. It's public, and we're gonna, we're the type of hunters. Well, I'm the type of hunter that'll just keep walking until I find a bird that wants to play. That might be 6 o'clock tonight. I don't know.
I'll walk until my feet fall off.
Right. But if you're a smart hunter, you just sit down and wait for this bird to fire back up. I don't necessarily have that kind of patience.
Nah.
It's more fun just to see more territory.
Patience overrated.
Yeah, well, way overrated. Yeah. Although patience kills way more birds. More to come. We'll see. All right, we're still walking. It's been what, half an hour maybe?
Yeah.
We heard that. We heard that bird gobble, right?
Yeah, we heard him from the opposite side.
He went down pretty low, and
We went around him.
he gobbled at us a few times because we went way past him. We're in a different area altogether, and we're just kind of staying away from him intentionally. Because and it's so beautiful back here. We're just enjoying the walk. I mean, look at this. Tell me, turkey territory. Poop everywhere we go. Still kind of early season. We're only a few weeks into the season for us. It's actually cold out here, even though it looks pretty. So we're gonna let him calm down. The fact that he gobbled 2-3 times is a good sign. And we're out ahead of where he was going. So we might just pick him up on the way back. Since it's only like, what time is it? Give or take?
Just turned 8.
8 o'clock?
Yep.
8 o'clock. Perfect.
Yep.
Birds usually just start lighting up.
Just turned 8.
That's what we've learned. So we're walking and calling. Great place to kill a turkey, so we'll see what happens. Well, we're back into the birds again. There's one way up on that ridge. And then there's a bigger one down below. Which is kind of odd, because he was closer over here. Unless there's more than one bigger bird, which wouldn't surprise me.
That was a long way for him to move that short time.
Yeah. What a gobble that bird has.
I want to see him so bad.
You and me both. It's the better time of day. It's a good thing we took a walk for a while. Got away from him. That bird's way up there. Got a nice bird on the upper property. Way up there. He must be on the road that we saw go off and up.
He's at that level.
Yeah. At this point, I don't think we need to hide. I stink. Step off. He could be down here in no time. Yeah, he's right up there. On the side of that mountain. You could hunker right into that stuff right there and become part of it. Or you could hunker into that shrub right there and have this whole opening. What do you think? Yeah. They both look good, potentially. If you keep, man, he got closer. He's way closer. He's way closer. Now, if he steps up, he's gonna step up like right freaking there. My God, dude, he's a stud. He's not happy about that. What a bird. That's really close. Oh my gosh. He just rolls. It's closer. You gotta find a spot. I don't know what to tell you. It's a terrible spot. All we can do is hope he steps up.
And keeps going across the road.
I don't even want to use decoy. I'm almost afraid to with him. But I think we gotta pick a spot real fast. I almost want to sit here because the sun's starting to hit.
Do you think it'd be worth it still trying to maybe go back there?
I think if you're tucked into this, you got a shot all the way down the corner. If you look at that opening down in there,
Right.
I can't see him wanting to cut through this.
Right.
Compared to that, we've seen his demeanor. His eyes fired up the woodpecker. They're both good birds.
There's the third.
Yeah, I think so. You shoot that one, and I'll shoot this one.
There. Okay.
I'm just kidding.
Let's do it.
I just love that voice.
There's more than one down there.
You think so?
I think there's another one that I've heard. Because every once in a while I hear one that I'm like, oh, he got further away, but I think there's another bird right here.
He's holding his location. Oh shit, they're busted. You see that? That's that Tom. Did you hear him coming in?
Yeah, he coming in. I didn't get it on film.
That's that Tom. He came off top of the mountain to get to us. Now, we're covered up. He may not have seen us.
He's gonna come from that way now, though.
Dang. I heard it coming.
That's why I didn't move the camera like crazy.
I knew that sound. Oh, we're so busted. Come off the top of that mountain.
The only thing you would have saw was the Jake. That one's still gobbling up there.
It's turkey mania.
His head was red though.
That's how they are when they
Yeah.
fly. I don't think he saw us. We weren't moving. We were in the shade mostly. I don't think he could have seen with us. He was on a jet path to that opening.
It was loud. I guarantee you hear it on the camera.
Yeah, it's like a plane coming in.
I was like, what the heck is that? Well, what do you think?
He went too far. He overshot the whole landing zone. Unless he was coming to land here and heard us. Or saw us and just veered off. Turkeys are crazy when they want to get somewhere. People say they won't travel.
That was, I mean, he flew.
That was totally intense. It's a big fat bird too. I don't know if you saw the beard hanging down. I was like, oh my god. Trying not to move.
I bet that
Now he's got one.
he's not freaked out.
I think he's hot.
Yeah, I was. Pick a bird, any bird.
I almost want to dive in the woods and grab those. If he keeps coming, we'll just get in that dark chunk of nothing. Try to bust him there on the corner. He's got a great voice.
He's
too.
closer too.
Bunch of lousy setups, man. That's all we got. But the sun will be in his eyes. He's hot.
We can hit that corner.
This one.
Yeah. I
Watch
don't.
him coming around it.
Do you think he'll? Well, you think if we set up on this corner, he'll see us coming in?
Let's go check him out real quick. This guy's holding up.
Yeah.
Okay. He's gonna come right up this. Alright, sounds like he finally made it here. We just look like a big black pile of stuff here. He's right back in that corner. Yeah, that's a nice voice too. He might just get away with it when he sees that Jake. Might just get strutty. Or he's gonna spin and butt. Like Jose's did. He's spitting. Nice. Oh yeah, put him down hard. That's all yours, bro.
Oh my god, dude, what a hunt.
High five.
Oh,
That was awesome. I wish we could have got more of him. But I think he stopped because he's looking at us.
yeah, he started to raise that head, man. I was like, ah. But I saw more of him than I thought I would when he came around.
I didn't want to say nothing. I was like, this is totally yours. I wasn't going to do nothing. Good job. 20-yard shot.
Shaking like a freaking leaf.
Me too.
He had me shaking.
Oh, that was freaking awesome, man. We still got the big monster behind us.
We're gonna get him.
If we don't talk too much,
You're gonna tag him, man.
it's by the time we get him tagged and bagged.
You're gonna tag that bird.
Oh, look at that. Nice tail.
Thank you so much, John.
That was freaking awesome.
Northwest Spurs Chasers,
Woo.
baby. Yeah.
What time of death? It's time of death.
9:30 on the dot.
We just let the birds warm up and they started going loose. I don't know if you guys heard that bird fly in. He came in off the top of that flipping mountain like a jet plane. Right over our heads. He literally came off the top of that mountain, through the trees, over us, and landed way out in the valley out there. And it sounded like a rocket coming in or a jet. We were both standing. I had the decoy in my hand, and I'm looking up at this beard flying over. I think we better get a closer look. Let's go get a look at this bird, man. Good job, man. Good job.
I'm telling you, man.
That was a stud hunt.
That bird had me shaking. That what a voice. What a voice.
That's good voice. Good
I'm
voice.
so grateful.
Here it comes. Spin and drop it. Oh, yeah. Put him down hard.
What a beautiful freaking day in Idaho. Oh, man. Northwest Spur Chasers.
We might just be able to get this guy if we go down after. Let him calm down. Let's go see this bird. Nice job.
Exhausted.
TSS number 9. Look at this sweet talk.
I'm almost afraid to admit it. That bird has me weak in the knees. I hope he's as big as I feel like.
You know, he floated his head. It was a great hunt either way. That bird didn't even get to think about it.
He's huge, man. He's big.
It is a big body. Look at that body. It's just a huge body. Look at the body on that thing.
Fat spurs, fat
Fat,
shorties.
fat shorty. 3/4 though. Nice beard though.
Dude, I think it's a heavy bird.
That is a big body on this thing. It's just like a big pile of dough. When I saw him come gliding in, I was like, oh my God, 20 pounds of love coming in off the mountain, baby. I thought I would expected much bigger. But I'm not complaining. I was freaking studly.
How can you say no to the bird that flies to
No,
you?
no.
You can't tell him no.
Oh my gosh, pick him up.
Look at that one.
Yeah,
They're just fat, man.
they're
Those
just
are
fat.
spurs. Oh, he's heavy.
Yeah, he's heavy.
Yeah.
That's a big bird. Let's see that tail, man. Gosh. He's been fighting. I think he's even got missing feathers. You had nothing to do with that because he was standing tall when you shot him. He's a fighter.
That's wild. He's just a scrapper.
Somebody running a hound dog up here? Here?
I think so. I think someone's bear hunting. Or mountain hunting, maybe. He's heavier than my last one.
Yeah, he looks really big in the body. What a great deal. We had nowhere to hide. We were hiding right in that shrubbery. There's just no shade out here with the sun high. What fun. Let's get some pictures. All right, Tom's got his tag cut. We got some photos done. We did a little bit of Pattern Master zoom on the photos. He got to rock the Pattern Master on the Mossberg today. I'm like, hey, you want to borrow the gun? He's like, yeah. It's always fun to shoot something new.
Yeah.
You did good, man. You pulled it off at a nice tight 20-yard shot with that. That was cool. What a great bird. He's got the fattest spurs I think I've ever seen. I just took a quick measure. I got 7/8 on them, but they're so fat they look short. It's just absolutely bizarre. So
Yeah, I would.
you want to double check? Why don't you measure his beard, do all that before we put the tag on, because it'll be hard to do it other. Here's our little setup. With the camera mount. Rocking that Phelps again.
Nice thick base down there.
Yeah. Yeah, it's really thick in there.
Everything about this bird is just, he's a chunk, man.
Yeah, he's a total chunky
It's
monkey.
His name is Chunk. All the way down there.
Good. Stretch the very tip of whatever you got. Make sure it's nice and straight. It's like a 9-inch piece hanging up there.
Just at about the 9-inch. Yep.
Right on the edge of it.
Right on the edge of 9.
Right on 9. Cool.
Hits my longest beard.
It's a brushy beard too. Yeah, look at that thing, man. Nice base on him. Nice brush for these mountain birds. Very cool. All right, double check your spur length. I came up with 7/8. It took a little bit because they're so fat. And here's our prep for the tail today, folks. If you want to know how to do it, find yourself a nice square rock, stand it up against it, stick on each side in the last feather. Because you got to roll to the point.
Yeah.
It's hard to do. Look how fat that thing is.
It's hard to tell where the angle's at too.
It is, because it's just a toad spur.
Yeah. I mean, it's right there.
Yeah. It's right at that 7/8 mark when you come around on it. Yeah.
It's crazy.
Look how fat that thing is. Oh my gosh.
What an amazing critter, man.
Yeah.
That's a
Stud.
chunk.
Let's get some weight on him. You got a piece of cord still?
Yeah, you
Just say-
the limb hanger?
Yeah, I got that.
That'll be the fastest. And it's good for limb hanger.
Yay.
I like to show off the product here.
Can't beat those red, white, and blue colors. And we get some weight.
All right, ready?
There you are.
Oh, crap. What do you think?
Yeah.
It's kind of jumping. Jumping.
It's sun stop.
There we go.
20.42. You can double check it.
Whew.
I knew he was over 20. Picked him up. I was like, geez. When I saw the big pile of bird laying on the ground. This has been the year of over 20 pounds.
$24.5.
Yeah, 24.5.
Not bad.
No, that's a pretty solid measurement for a
He's been
solid
tearing up his
bird.
leg.
Fighting there. Spur marks.
Yep.
Yeah, you find them on the chest a lot too. It'll be like big gouges on them. Good job, man. One more time on the shot.
That was awesome. That was awesome.
That was
Unreal.
totally awesome.
Yeah.
What a good time.
Couldn't ask for a better morning.
No, we had a great walk. We heard some great gobbling. We saw a dive bomb in Turkey. Fighter jet going overhead. That
This
was
guy.
crazy. Yeah, that was him.
This dude
I
flew.
don't know if you didn't probably see him, but you probably heard him.
You'll hear it in the video for
You'll
sure.
definitely hear it. I'll try to turn the volume up as much as I could, but he came down off that mountaintop,
thought
like
it was a
rocket.
plane.
Yeah.
It's like, oh, there's a really low plane coming in right now.
It was loud.
Oh, geez, that's a turkey. That plane's a turkey.
I looked up and I watched them go right over, and I looked at the beard. They're like, "That's a nice bird." And he still came in. They're hot.
That's not a plane. That's a super bird.
That's a super
Super
turk.
bird.
Super turk. Oh man, we get some more pictures.
Chunk.
All right, the Walk of Fame is heading out. It's been a good day. Wouldn't you say, Tom?
It's been a fantastic day. Doesn't get any better, man.
It don't get better than this.
You know,
Well, it could get better in a few minutes. We're gonna go after one other
that's
bird.
true.
Maybe.
It could get better.
We'll see.
But it was a good way to start the day. You know, get up early. You're out here listening to gobbles. Beautiful sunrise. Great hunt. Hiking
Awesome.
through elk country, turkey country. Just couldn't be any better. Grateful.
Yeah.
Blessed day.
We've seen everything. Fun.
And then the super bird flew into our laps.
The super bird. Yep. The glider bird. Tom got the glider bird. We got names for every hunt this year.
Yeah, we do.
All right, we're cruising on the walk. The Walk of Fame. What a day. God, what a blessed day. There's more to come. Much more to come. We are going to get into some more videos. Good job, Tom. Hey, good morning, Spur Chasers. John back at it. It is a Monday, and man, we're deep into it, I'll tell you that. I think I'm heading out to video 13, this might be, I'm not sure. Hunt number 13, and maybe, actually, hunt number 14. Man, I've lost track. Either way, you'll notice I got a different hat on today. Let's see. I call it target-rich environment. Yeah, what do we get a redirection? We're surrounded by gobbles. We all know that doesn't mean anything.